Washing our hands is something most of us do on autopilot. Yet this everyday task presents a perfect opportunity to practice mindfulness. Okay, begin by running the faucet, hot or cold, whatever your preference, and wet the hands, feeling the sensation of the running water covering the skin, but also hearing the sounds of the water flowing from the tap. Now apply the soap, enough so that it will provide enough froth to generously cover both hands front and back, and rub your hands together, palm to palm in a slow, circular motion. Next, interlace the fingers, lathering the webbing between each finger and counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10. And then use the right palm to rub the back of the left hand and fingers, and vice versa. Turning the hands over and over, tucking your knuckles inside the palms, almost in a rolling motion, and counting to 10. Okay, you're done. Now turn the tap back on, feeling the water and hearing the sounds once more as you rinse off the soap. Using a single towel, be it a cloth or paper, dry your hands, feeling the texture of the towel against the skin as you do so. Use that same towel to turn off the faucet, and remember, this is an exercise you can do each time you wash your hands. Simply rinse and repeat.